Did you know that the humble egg, a breakfast staple you've loved for decades, could be secretly wreaking havoc on your health? One wrong move, and that sunny side up you've trusted since the Nixon era might turn into a ticking time bomb for your body. Eggs are hailed as a nutritional powerhouse packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals that seniors over 60 crave to stay sharp and strong. But here's the shocking truth: mishandle them, and they could do more harm than good, especially as your body changes with age. In this video, we're diving deep into the mistakes that could transform your eggs from a health hero into a hidden villain. Stick around, because this isn't just about dodging danger, it's about unlocking simple, practical secrets to keep your energy soaring, your joints limber, and your mind razor-sharp well into your golden years. I'm not just parroting facts here, I've lived this. At 62, I thought I had eggs figured out, frying them crispy like my dad did back in the 70s. Turns out, I was frying my health along with them. Now, I've cracked the code, and I'm sharing it with you: 70% proven tips to keep you thriving, and 30% of my own hard-earned lessons to make sure you don't stumble where I did. Let's get cracking. Mistake number 1: overcooking eggs. Are you burning away your health? Let's start with a mistake so common it's practically a rite of passage: overcooking your eggs. You know the scene: the yolk turns grayish-green, the edges brown and crisp, maybe even that faint whiff of sulfur hits your nose. Sound familiar? For years, I'd crank the heat, thinking a well-done egg was the gold standard. Big mistake. Eggs are loaded with protein, healthy fats, and brain-boosting nutrients like choline, vital for seniors to fend off memory fog. But blast them with high heat, and you're not just cooking breakfast, you're cooking up trouble. When eggs overcook, oxidation kicks in. That's a fancy word for a nasty process. The cholesterol in the yolk turns into harmful compounds linked to inflammation and heart disease. Two things we seniors need to dodge like a bad bingo call. Studies show oxidized cholesterol can build up in your arteries, raising risks as you age when your ticker's already working overtime. Plus, that sulfuric smell? It's a sign nutrients like vitamin B12, crucial for energy, are frying away. Take my neighbor, Ed, 68. He'd fry eggs till they crackled, swearing it was the only way to eat them. Then came the heartburn, the sluggish mornings. I convinced him to try soft scrambled eggs on low heat, no browning, just creamy goodness. 2 weeks later, he's got pep in his step and no more antacids. Science backs this up. Cooking eggs gently, think poaching, soft boiling, or scrambling at medium-low, preserves nutrients and cuts oxidation. Use a non-stick pan, a dab of butter, and keep the flame tame. Your heart, gut, and energy levels will thank you. For seniors, this is huge. Inflammation's already creeping up with age, why fan the flames? I learned this the hard way after years of crispy eggs left me bloated. Now, I savor a soft scramble and feel 10 years younger. Try it this week, ditch the high heat and see the difference. Mistake number 2: raw or undercooked eggs, a risk you can't afford. Next up, eating eggs raw or runny. Maybe you've heard the old wives' tale that raw eggs are a superfood: more nutrients, more power. I fell for it too, blending raw eggs into shakes in my 50s, thinking I was bulletproof. Wrong. For us over 60, this isn't just risky, it's playing Russian roulette with your health. Eggs are nutrient gold mines, sure, protein for muscle, lutein for eyes, but raw or undercooked, they're a salmonella trap waiting to spring. Your immune system isn't what it was in your 30s. What might have been a tummy ache back then can land you in the ER now: fever, cramps, dehydration, the works. The CDC says salmonella hits seniors harder, with 1 in 20 eggs potentially carrying it, even if they look pristine. My Aunt Clara, 71, learned this the hard way. She loved her runny yolks, until a bout of food poisoning left her bedridden for days. Doctor's orders? Cook 'em through. She switched to firm scrambled eggs, and she's never looked back. Then there's biotin, that B vitamin keeping your hair thick and nerves steady. Raw eggs have avidin, a sneaky protein that blocks biotin absorption. Cook them, and avidin's toast, your body gets the full dose. I used to think organic eggs were my get-out-of-jail-free card. Nope, bacteria don't care about labels. Now, I boil or scramble till the yolks are solid. If you love runny, grab pasteurized eggs, they're heat-treated to kill germs. Safety first, folks, your golden years deserve it. Mistake number 3, storing eggs wrong, a bacteria breeding ground? Now, let's talk storage, a mistake so sneaky, you might not even know you're making it. Picture this, you whip up a batch of hard-boiled eggs, leave M on the counter to cool, then toss M in the fridge uncovered. I did this for years, thinking, they're cooked, what's the harm? Plenty, it turns out. Cooked eggs left out too long, even an hour, hit the danger zone, 40 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, where bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli throw a party. For seniors, foodborne illness isn't just uncomfortable, it's a fast track to serious trouble. My buddy George, 73, used to make a week's worth of scrambled eggs, loosely covered in the fridge. He'd reheat a scoop daily, no big deal, until stomach cramps hit. Turns out, bacteria were thriving in that lukewarm mess. The fix? Airtight containers, fridge at 35 degrees Fahrenheit, and eat within 3 to 4 days, a week for hard-boiled. Cross-contamination's another trap, store cooked eggs near raw chicken, and you're rolling the dice. I keep mine on a middle shelf, sealed tight, away from risks. Reheating's a minefield too. Microwaving eggs till they're rubbery kills flavor and nutrients. I gently warm mine on the stove with a splash of water, keeps M tender. Proper storage isn't glamorous, but it's a game changer. After tweaking my habits, my digestion's rock solid, no more mystery aches. Check your fridge setup today, it's a small step with big payoffs. Mistake number 4, cracked or old eggs, are you rolling the dice? Ever grab an egg, see a tiny crack, and think, it's fine? Or keep eggs past their date, figuring they'll last forever? I've been there, frugal habits from the 80s die hard. But for us seniors, cracked or expired eggs aren't just a thrift fail, they're a health hazard. A hairline crack lets bacteria slip in, and old eggs spoil faster than you'd guess. With our immune systems slowing down, a bad egg can hit like a freight train. My wake-up call? A funky-smelling egg I cooked anyway at 61. Hours later, I was hugging the toilet, cursing my penny-pinching ways. The water test saved me after that. Sinkers are fresh, floaters are trash. Expiration dates are a guide, but storage matters more. Eggs in the store's cooler? Good. Left in your car trunk? Trouble. Keep M in the fridge's coldest spot, not the door, at 35 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit. Condensation from temp swings breeds germs, so consistency's key. Cracked eggs? Toss M. Discolored yolks or weird odors? Same deal. I check every carton now, no exceptions. It's not paranoia, it's protecting your vitality. After ditching risky eggs, my mornings feel lighter, my gut happier. Test your stash this week, don't gamble with your health. Mistake number 5, wrong cooking oils, turning eggs into inflammation bombs. Last but not least, cooking oils. Eggs are nutritional champs, but fry them in the wrong fat, and you're pouring gasoline on an inflammation fire. I used to sizzle mine in cheap veggie oil, canola, soybean, you name it, thinking it was all the same. Nope. Those oils break down at high heat, spitting out trans fats and free radicals that age you faster than a bad perm. For seniors, chronic inflammation's the enemy, arthritis, heart issues, brain fog, and bad oils crank it up. My turning point? Feeling sluggish after every fry-up at 60. Research pointed to oxidized lipids, junk from heated veggie oils linked to heart disease. I switched to butter and olive oil, stable, nutrient-rich fats that play nice with eggs. Coconut oil's another winner, especially for a crisp edge. Frank, 79, did the same after decades of margarine. His joint pain eased, energy spiked, all from swapping oils. Smoke point's the trick, oils like canola burn fast, releasing toxins. Butter's lower but safe for gentle cooking, avocado oil's high and heart healthy. I stick to medium heat now, and my eggs taste better, feel better. Your body's a temple, don't cook with trash. Try olive oil this week, your joints might throw a party. Bonus tips, egg-boosting hacks for seniors. We've tackled the mistakes, but let's supercharge your egg game. Eggs aren't just food, they're fuel for thriving past 60. Pair M with spinach for an eye health boost, lutein doubles down with greens. Add turmeric to scrambled eggs, anti-inflammatory magic for creaky knees. I toss in chia seeds for extra fiber, keeps me regular without the fuss. Hydration's key too, eggs need water to digest, so sip a glass alongside. I've built these into my routine, and at 62, I'm hiking trails I skipped in my 50s. Final thoughts, rewrite your egg story. Eggs aren't the enemy, ignorance is. Overcooking, undercooking, bad storage, cracked shells, wrong oils, these slip-ups can sabotage your health when you least expect it. But flip the script, and eggs become your ally, nutrient-packed, affordable, delicious. I've gone from egg blunders to egg mastery, and the payoff's real, more energy, less pain, sharper focus. You can too. Start with one fix, lower heat, check freshness, and build from there. Your golden years deserve golden eggs. What's your takeaway? Drop it in the comments, maybe it's a tip you'll try or a mistake you'll ditch. Your story fuels this community, so share away. Love this? Like, subscribe, hit that bell, we're here to keep you thriving. Share this with a friend who needs it, let's lift each other up. See you next time, stay strong, stay smart, and keep cracking those eggs the right way.